Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create and design clothing online store or clothing website with Shopify and Canva. Now first thing first, you're going to want to create your store on Shopify, and then once you do that you're going to want to go to online store and take a look at the available theme. So currently I am using the Dawn theme, but you can choose on the other theme if you want. They have this one's called Craft, this one's called Sense, Spotlight, Refresh, etc. You can also try to visit their theme store to take a look at some more theme. But they do have themes that are not free, so you will have to pay for some of the themes right here. And if you feel like it is necessary, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm just going to show you how you can customize everything just from scratch. So here I'm going to go to the customizations of my store. First things first, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just delete the announcement bar because I don't think that I'm going to be using it. And here on the header section, I'm going to want to add the logo on the middle center, and then I'm also going to add the logo of my business. So I'm going to go into my computer right here and start uploading my logo. I'm going to go with, let's say this one's right here, all right, and use it as my logo. All right, now that I got my logo installed, I'm going to go and start editing on my image banners right here. So currently I have this templates image from Shopify, and this is where Canva will play its part. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Canva, and then you're going to want to try to search for a template. Let's say it's for a clothing website. And then here you'll be able to see lots of templates, and you can use this as a guideline to design your Shopify store. So let's say that I'm going to work with this one's right here. Now obviously if you're going to use this for your online store, you're going to want to use your own brand picture. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to use the pictures made by Canva, and you can definitely use your own picture. In fact, I recommend you to do that instead. But since this is just like a test website, I'm just going to go ahead and use the one from Canva. So right here, I'm just going to add some adjustment for my banner. I'm going to delete some of this wording, and then I also going to resize this website templates into the size of Shopify banner. So the size of Shopify banner is going to be 4320 by 2160. Okay, and then go ahead and continue. Now you can set the size before you choose a template, because when you're trying to resize a design, you're going to need to have Canva free account beforehand. I am using one right now, but if you're on Canva free account, you can go ahead and choose the template size or measurement first before you choose on the templates pictures and the templates design. All right, so here I got the pictures, and I think I'm going to change, first thing first, I'm going to change this font into Dream Avenue. I think that was the name. Oh yeah, Dream Avenue. So I'm going to use this as my font, and then I'm also going to change this into New Arrival. Alright, so I add the New Arrival wording as well as Moonlight Collection, which is the name of the latest collection, and then I add a moon element into this banner. So I'm going to take a look at some more of the pages from this design and see if there's anything that I can use later on. So I think I'm just going to use this page, and then this one's right here, but I'm just going to delete on the wording. And now I'm just going to download this as PNG. Alright, once it's done, download it, and I've extracted it into my folder, I'm going to go back into my Shopify and start editing it. Now this image banner have like 1 and 2nd image on it. I don't think I'm going to use the 2nd image, so I'm going to try and to upload the first image first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So now I got the pictures uploaded. I don't really like how huge the picture is, so I'm going to go ahead and choose adapt to first image as the height. And then I'm also going to delete on this wording as well as the buttons right here. You can, however, connect that button into a page if you want. Let's say you have a specific page for this collections or anything that appears on your banner. All you have to do is just add a block, and then you can choose on what kind of things you want to put. Let's say you want to add a button. You can click on it and you can just put the link for the button that you want to put. I'm not going to use any button for now, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Alright, now that we're done with our banner, we're going to go to the next page, which is the featured product. You don't actually have to follow every single page that this templates give you. You can just change it if you want. So instead of having featured collection, here I'm going to add a section, and it's going to be a collection list. So I'm going to add that. And here I'm going to create a collections first. So to make it easier, I'm just going to go ahead and add the title to it and leave everything for later. So for example here, this one's going to be Moonlight. Then I'm going to add image for my collection, save, and I'm just going to create some more. Alright, so I created 4 collection, which is Skyline, Stardust, Sunshine, and Moonlight. I'm going to go back into my website editor and start, and I'm going to save this real quick before I'm restarting this editor. Alright, now I'm going to select, let's say this one's going to be Moonlight, select, and then actually going to edit how this collection looks like, to add 4 as the number of column. Alright, next we're going to add another section that is going to be an image banner for, let's say, company profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and delete this text box right here, as well as the button. And I'm going to change this image banner into this pictures right here. I'm just going to edit it, and then I'm going to change this into adapt to first image again. And for the image behavior, I'm going to put this as the fixed background position. I'm going to go back, and this one is going to be deleted, but I'm going to add one block, which is going to be a text section. Alright, now that we've got that done, I'm going to take a look at the theme setting, and I'm going to change the font. I'm trying to find the font that is the most similar, or the one that is going to look good with the one on my main banner. Alright, now that I finished with the tags and the font, I also did some changes into my animation so that when the clickers hovers above the pictures that appears on my website, it has like this vertical lift effects to it. So this is what we got from our website for now. We got the header, and then there is this main banner page. We got the collection page, as well as the short business or company profile, and the footer is just a page where people can subscribe to our email. Now that you know how to design the website, I'm also going to show you how you can edit product for your website. Now, once you exit on your website editor, you're going to be able to find this product option on your dashboard of Shopify. So through here, you'll be able to add your product. All you have to do is click add product. Then add your product title, add the descriptions to it, add media such as pictures and video. Then you can set your pricing. You can also track your inventory, set your shipping, add your variant, etc. But let's say that the clothing store that you're trying to create is not actually the one from your own brand. Let's say that you want to do a drop shipping business, or you just want to do the reseller business. All you have to do is go to the apps section on Shopify, and here you'll be able to find a lot of marketplace that you could connect to Shopify, such as CJ Dropshipping, that allows you to do dropshipping businesses. You'll be able to find a lot of suppliers on CJ Dropshipping, and then you can transfer that listing into your store. You can also connect your Shopify to your Printify, which is a platform for print on demand. And then there's also stuff that allows you to create listings from Amazon or maybe eBay into your Shopify. And once you add all of those products, you'll be able to find those products on these catalog sections of your store. And the website that you're looking at right now is actually on the desktop view mode. And if you would like to see how your website looks like on other devices such as phone, you can go ahead and click on this phone symbol, and it's going to change the view into phone view, and it looks like this. And they also offers you to see your website on full screen, and it will look like this. And that's basically it. That is how you can design and create an online shop for clothing on Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.